We're so happy you're interested in AirBar. Start by removing the 2 tags on the back. After that, gently attach AirBar to the bottom bezel, then press gently above the magnet points. Remove AirBar and press on the magnets a bit harder to fixate them. That's it! Now you can attach and detach AirBar again and again without hassle, and it will be perfectly aligned and centered every time, thanks to the magnets that remain below your screen. And don't worry, you will still be able to close your notebook without any problems. Now that AirBar is set up, start your computer running Windows 10. Attach AirBar, and plug the USB connector into the notebook. You now have touch. Pinch, roll, sweep, and have fun.